Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to discuss about concat underscore ws function in Spark SQL. So why do we use concat underscore ws function? It returns the concatenation of the string separated by a separator, is keeping the null value. So whenever there is a requirement to concat two string or two column with a separator, then with the help of concat underscore ws, we can able to do it. And suppose if there is any null values present in the column, so it will going to skip those values as well. So in this exercise, what we are going to do, we are going to see how concat ws function is used to concatenation of two or more string or two or more columns with a separator. To do that exercise, I am going to create a table. This is the name of the table. These are the attributes of the table. When this table will create, I will going to insert some data so that we can perform our exercise. So these are the insert statement which we have already written. With the help of this insert statement, I will going to insert data in this table. Let's first create the table, insert some data into it, and then we will going to see how concat underscore ws function works in Spark SQL. So let's go to the Databricks. Let me create a notebook. Name this notebook as concat underscore ws. To create a table, we need a script, and there's a lot of insert script will also required to insert data into the table. So to save time, I have already created the script. So this is the script to create a table. I'm going to copy it and I'm pasting in this command cell and I am just running it. It is taking some time because I have just started my cluster. So maybe it will take a couple of minutes. Table is being created. It has been created successfully. We can validate from here. If you go to the catalog section, we can see this is the default database. In this database, this is the table which we have just created. Now, we also need some data. So I have already created the insert script. Let me copy it and paste it. Let me run it. Spark is inserting or Spark is executing the insert statement one by one. Okay, all the insert statements are executed successfully. Let's see the data in this table. Okay, we can see that these are the same data which we have inserted with the help of this insert statement. Now let's go to the PPT. We can see here what we are doing. Okay, we are using this concat underscore ws function. So there are couple of parameters it will going to take. This is the parameter. This is the separator actually. This is the separator, and these are the two columns which we are using. So it will going to create a column, and it will concatenate the data from these two columns, and the data will be separated with the help of this forward slash. So this is the purpose of concat ws function. It will going to concat two string or two column or combination of a string and the column with the help of this separator. So let's write this query in our Databricks. Select concat ws, and here first parameter will be separator and second parameter would be either string or the column. So let me use the existing column in this table. So let's use this AP state, and second column would be AP city. I am giving the alias as state city. From this is the table from where we want to execute this concat ws function. So let's run it. We can see a new column gets created. Name of the column is state underscore city. This is the alias which we have given, and the value it's populating is like Haryana slash Gurgaon, Maharashtra slash Mumbai. So we can see here that it's taking the value from AP state and AP city. So AP state value is Haryana, AP city is Gurgaon, and it is separated with the help of a separator. This is the separator which we have used. So whenever there is a requirement to concatenate two string or two column or combination of a string and the column with the help of a separator, so we should use concat ws function. So in this video we have seen how we can concatenate two string, two column or combination of a string and column with the help of a separator. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.